You don't need to spend countless hours and resources on marketing efforts that just don't seem to connect with your target audience anymore. What if we told you that there's a tool that can help you with creating compelling marketing copies, delivering effective sales pitch, improving customer feedback collection, and much more? Say hello to ChatGPT, the revolutionary language model that's taking the modern world of marketing by storm. In this video, we'll introduce you to ChatGPT and explain what it is and how it works. You'll learn about the technology behind this powerful tool and how it can help you with everything from identifying your target audience to developing marketing strategies for special events as well as festivals. But that's not all. If you're interested in diving deeper into the world of marketing with ChatGPT, we have got you covered. We offer a full course called ChatGPT for Marketing on our website Great Learning Academy that covers a wide range of topics, including the usage of ChatGPT for developing branding process and crafting cross-selling, upselling, and point-of-purchase tactics. Whether it's a seasonal sale, a product launch, or a community event, we'll show you how to leverage the power of social media, email marketing, and other digital channels to maximize your reach as well as engagement. You can check out the full course on our website by clicking the link in the video description below. So if you are ready to take your marketing game to the next level, join us for this video and learn the skills and strategies you need to succeed in today's competitive business world. Today, we will be talking about ChatGPT and how we can use ChatGPT in the field of marketing. So we all know about ChatGPT and how it can be used in different domain areas. Starting from if you are having a problem in writing a code, can ChatGPT help there? Well, yes. If you talk about HR, if you talk about marketing, if you talk about digital marketing, if you talk about finance, it can help in different domain areas within the technology field as well as within the business or the management field. For this particular course, we will be understanding how we can leverage ChatGPT in the world of marketing. How can we harness the power of AI in marketing? So let's understand what exactly is ChatGPT. Well, ChatGPT is again an artificial intelligence powered language model which is developed by OpenAI. Now you might ask, what is OpenAI? OpenAI is a non-profit AI research organization which is founded with the goal of promoting and developing friendly AI in a way that benefits humanity as a whole. And it is developed in around December 2015 by some of the most prominent technology leaders, including Elon Musk. ChatGPT is based on the GPT, that is Generative Pre-trained Transformer architecture, and has been trained on large corpus of text data to generate human-like text in response to prompts. If you go to the website of Air India, you go to Zomato, you go to Swiggy, you have some questions. There's always these chat bots where you can put your query, you can put your prompts and you will get some reply. ChatGPT is just like that, but using the artificial intelligence in much more better way. You are asking any question, maybe you have some doubts in your physics classes, maybe you want to understand some reaction in your chemistry classes, maybe you have a mathematical problem that you can't find a solution to, or maybe you are getting troubled with a difficult coding problem. Well, ChatGPT can help you in all those equations, in all those different methods, and ChatGPT is one tool which can help you in different areas and in different domains. Similarly, when you talk about marketing, how can ChatGPT help there? From creating high quality content to providing keyword suggestions for your SEO and nurturing leads, ChatGPT can perform many tasks to make the job of a marketer much more easier. Let's understand in detail that how can we leverage ChatGPT for marketing success. Well, ChatGPT can be used to write compelling marketing copy. If you want to write some eye-catching line which can grab the attention of the audience while they are crossing a hoarding or a billboard, can ChatGPT help there? Well, yes, it can also help in writing the catchy captions for your Instagram. Or maybe you want to find a beautiful Twitter thread that you want to put on a poetry day or Women's Day. Can ChatGPT help there? Yes, again. Sales pitch, if you want to find a compelling sales pitch which can be used by your customer representative to cross-sell or upsell your particular products or services, ChatGPT can help there as well. Then personal branding. Let's say you are going on LinkedIn and you want a great profile for yourself, or you are building a portfolio for yourself and you want to write compelling content. Can ChatGPT help there? The answer is yes again. Sales and newsletter email content. You want to write a great sales pitch on the email. You want to add a few call to action as well. ChatGPT can be used. Social media copy, customer service questions and answers. You are designing a landing page and you want a few FAQs, that is frequently asked questions. Can ChatGPT help there? Answer is again yes. Customer feedback forms. You want to add more qualitative questions. You want to add more quantitative questions. You want to add more binary questions. You want to understand what are the different types of questions you want to understand in your customer feedback. Why is customer feedback important for your particular product, for your particular business? ChatGPT can answer all those questions for a marketer, and eventually it can make the job of a marketer much more easier. So now we will go to ChatGPT, we'll understand that what are the different areas that are there in marketing and how can we put different prompts to understand and leverage ChatGPT in those areas. So to go to ChatGPT, you don't really have to do anything. Just go to Google and type ChatGPT. As soon as you will type ChatGPT, go to the first link by OpenAI and you will come to this page. As you can see on screen, here all the details about ChatGPT are mentioned. That ChatGPT can be used in optimizing language models for dialogue. All the details about ChatGPT, that we have trained a model called ChatGPT which interacts in a conversational way. You can read these details and you can understand more about from a few samples which are given towards the end of the page. If you go above, you will see a button called try here, and you can find a button here as well which says try ChatGPT. So go to try ChatGPT and a new window will open where you will be able to see the actual area, the interface where you can put in all those queries and you can find the answers to all those queries. Now the very first thing in marketing that we are going to take is identification of target audience, and we'll see how ChatGPT can help there. So first of all, we are going to ask a very simple question to ChatGPT. Let's take the first question. So as we know that we are going to talk about an ice cream parlor, and that's the example we are taking. So let's ask ChatGPT that I plan to open an ice cream parlor in the town. How can I identify the target audience for the ice cream parlor? Enter, and it will generate answers for you. So as you can see on the screen, that identifying your target audience is crucial to the success of your ice cream parlor, as it helps you tailor your marketing efforts and menu to meet the needs and preferences of your potential customers. Precisely what I told you. So it is first of all giving you a basic instruction about why it is important for you to identify the target audience, and then it is also telling you how exactly you can go about it. It is telling you the step-by-step procedure for that. So it is giving you examples like, first of all, you need to analyze the demographics of the area. Once that is done, then you need to conduct market research. Once you are done with conducting your market research, you need to look at the competition. That is extremely important. Then you need to consider seasonal trends, and you need to use social media to best use this particular tool. And then it is also giving you a basic instruction in terms of, by taking these steps, you can gain a better understanding of your target audience and tailor your ice cream parlor to meet their needs and preferences. Now let's see how ChatGPT can be helpful when you are trying to advertise your ice cream parlor. Let's say you want to have a few marketing copies, a few effective and compelling marketing copies that you can put on hoardings and billboards. Can ChatGPT help there? Let's explore. Let's say you give a prompt that, can you suggest a few catchy marketing copies for advertising the ice cream parlor on hoardings and billboards? Let's see what is the answer that we are getting from ChatGPT. So it is giving us a few catchy marketing copy ideas for advertising our ice cream parlor on the hoardings and billboards. It is saying scoops of happiness in every cone. Visit our ice cream parlor today. Our ice cream will melt your heart. Try it now at our parlor. So these are some amazing marketing copies that can definitely be used on the hoardings and billboards. And you can make some changes. You can tweak it a little bit according to your audience, your personalized business. Now, if you want to make some changes in that, let's say you want a more personalized and engaging copies, then can you give that prompt? Let's try that out. Let's try and understand whether it can make these copies more engaging and more personalized for our particular ice cream parlor. Can you make these copies more engaging and personalized? Now, let ChatGPT think about that. Let ChatGPT help us with making these copies more engaging and personalized for our audience in the town. Now it is using words like your with our. So that is making these copies much more engaging. So if you see here, the word was scoops of happiness in every cone. Visit our ice cream parlor today, or ice cream parlor will melt your heart. Try it now at the parlor. Similarly, it is showing sweet treats for every occasion. But here, if you see, we serve happiness one scoop at a time. visit our parlor and find your smile in a cone. Or our ice cream parlor is more than just a desert destination, it's a place to make memories and share joy with loved ones. So you see, these copies are now much more engaging and much more personalized for any reader. And that's the beauty of ChatGPT, that if you want it to create something and then make it more engaging, make it more personalized for a particular scenario, it can really do that for you. Now, let's say you decide to hire a few customer representatives for your ice cream parlor who can invite people and increase the sales for your ice creams, which is the main product for your business. Now, let's see how can ChatGPT help us in creating effective sales pitch. Let's ask ChatGPT how can it help us in cross-selling and upselling as well. First of all, we'll ask a few suggestions for verbal sales pitch that can be created by ChatGPT. Let's say I type a question that suggests a verbal sales pitch that can be used by this customer representative to invite people to the ice cream parlor. Since you have hired a few customer representatives, let's see what can be the effective sales pitch for that, and who knows it better than ChatGPT. So if you type that, it is going to give you a few verbal sales pitch. As you can see on your screen, that here's an example of a verbal sales pitch that a customer representative could use to invite people to your ice cream parlor. And it is giving you a very precise sales pitch depending upon all the information that you have fed to ChatGPT till now related to your ice cream parlor. It is talking about, good afternoon, are you looking for a sweet treat to cool off on this hot day? You are in luck, our ice cream parlor is just around the corner. We have a variety of flavors, and it is talking about each and everything that we have discussed with ChatGPT till now related to your ice cream parlor. Now it is time for us to understand that if you want to collect customer feedback, how can ChatGPT be helpful there? Well, you have developed an entire ice cream parlor with the help of ChatGPT. Now you also need to know if there are some gaps, there are some mismatches. You need to collect the feedback of the customers, right? How can you design a form? Let's ask ChatGPT that what are the great tactics or great different ways with the help of which we can collect the customer feedback. So as you can see on the screen, ChatGPT is suggesting various ways to collect customer feedback at the ice cream parlor. Here are some common methods. It's saying in-person feedback. You can encourage customers to provide feedback during their visit by placing suggestion boxes or comment cards in the store, or by having a customer representative ask for feedback directly. You can have online reviews, you can have social media for the customer feedback, you can have email surveys. It is also talking about phone surveys and focus groups. So these are the different ways it is suggesting us. Let's say we are really interested in the comment cards. As you can see in the first point, it is talking about in-person feedback where it is highlighting comment cards. So let's ask that if ChatGPT can suggest us a few comment cards that can be used at the ice cream parlor to collect feedback from the customers. And as you can see, ChatGPT is again giving us examples of comment cards that we can utilize to collect feedback from the customers at our ice cream parlor. So the first one is, how was your ice cream experience? Please rate the following 1 to 5 scale: taste, variety, service, cleanliness, and ambience. If you go to the fifth one, it can say that what did you like most about your experience at our ice cream parlor? And it is talking about what can we do to make it even better. It is talking about, is there anything we could do to improve your ice cream experience? Please let us know. So these are some great ideas for the comment cards. Let's say we want to create a feedback form now for the customers who bought ice creams at our ice cream parlor. So can ChatGPT help us in creating the feedback form? Let's say we ask that create a customer feedback form for the customer who bought ice cream from the parlor. Let's say what are the suggestions it's giving. So here's the customer feedback form for customers who purchased ice cream from your parlor. And it is actually giving us questions, as you can see. What flavors of ice cream did you purchase? On a scale of 1 to 5, how would you rate the quality of the ice cream? 1 being poor, 5 being excellent. Or was the portion size of the ice cream appropriate? Was the price of the ice cream reasonable? Is there anything we could do to improve your ice cream experience? Or would you like to be added to our email list to receive information about new flavors specific to the special offers and events? If yes, please provide your email address. So these are some great questions that can be added to the customer feedback. You can actually take this entire form and send it to your customers right away. It is as good. Similarly, let's say you want to come up with few one-liners or for elderly people in the town on Women's Day. Let's see what are the suggestions that ChatGPT can give us. There are three things. First of all, we are asking ChatGPT to create one-liners. Then we are asking to target elderly people. And third thing, it is for a special occasion, that is Women's Day. Can ChatGPT keep in mind all these three things and create content for you? Let's see. First, treat yourself this Women's Day with our delicious ice cream. Well, it is a good one-liner, especially for Women's Day, not maybe specific to elder people. Let's see what are the other ones. Seniors deserve a sweet treat. Come enjoy our ice cream on Women's Day. Now that's a great deal. It is for elderly people. It is talking about seniors. It is a one-liner, and it is also talking about the special occasion of Women's Day. Similarly, if you talk about for the young at heart, come enjoy our delicious ice cream on Women's Day. That's again is a very great tactic. Celebrate Women's Day with our nostalgic flavors that will take you back in time. That is again a very good line, very good one-liner to target the elderly people in the town on a special occasion of Women's Day. Similarly, if I ask ChatGPT to create a gratitude letter for our regular customers of ice cream parlor on a special occasion of, let's say, Eid, let's see what is the result we can expect. So as you can see on the screen, it is giving us a proper letter on the special occasion of Eid. It is saying that on the special occasion of Eid, we want to take a moment to express our heartfelt gratitude for your loyalty at our ice cream parlor. It is also touching upon all the points that we have discussed till now. As we celebrate Eid, we want to extend our warmest wishes to you and our loved ones. So that's the beauty of ChatGPT. It can create content which is very, very specific to a special occasion. So if you are planning for Diwali, if you are planning for Christmas Day, if you are planning for Eid, it can not only create content for you, but can actually help you in creating the entire marketing plan. So that's the beauty of ChatGPT. I hope you have understood all the different aspects in which ChatGPT can be used in the world of marketing. Thank you so much for attending this course. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I want to request you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so that you don't miss out on any new updates or video releases from Great Learning. If you enjoy this video, show us some love and like this video. Knowledge increases by sharing. So make sure you share this video with your friends and colleagues. Make sure to comment on the video for any queries or suggestions, and I'll respond to your comments.